Good morning. It is another week of hair vlogs, and today we're going to do something that's a little new for me. I have day 2 hair right now, so it was washed yesterday because I had my roots done. But I bought a hat. I got a hat. You can see it's brand new. I still have the tags on it, so I guess I should take those off. But I don't usually wear hats. It's something that's just never become a thing for me, but I'd like it to be. I think hats are super cute, and they're a great option for those dirty hair days to not put dry shampoo in your hair. And I'm trying to put less dry shampoo in my hair, because if you watch my videos, you know I end up dry shampooing my hair pretty much every day that I don't wash it, for the most part. So we're going to try a hat. So I got this cute little hat, and it's got the big wide opening at the back so you can do your hair. And I mean, yeah, the size of this hole is very optimistic. I don't have a ton of hair for that hole, but still. So we're basically just going to put it in a bun, I guess, and put the hat on. So I'm just going to put my hair back. I'm not going to worry too much what the top of my hair looks like, because I mean, it doesn't really matter if you're wearing a hat. I am going to take some pieces out. Maybe not that much. Take those out. I'm just going to use a scrunchie, and I'm going to do my flip and twist bun, but it's further back on my head. It's obviously not like the top of my head like it would be if I wasn't wearing a hat. So like that, and then we'll put the hat on. To there. That's today. I'm going to run errands. I'm going to wear my cute hat. I think my hair looks all right in it. I'll have to check in the mirror because obviously can't see the back. Maybe that's better. I often honestly just go by feel. I feel my hair and I feel, does it feel like it's full where I want it to be and whatnot. And then I do try to remember to check the back, because there's nothing worse than not checking the back and then checking the back later and realizing I walked around all day with my hair looking ridiculous. So there we go, something a little new today. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if I can keep this hat on all day. Good morning, day 2, and I actually toned my hair this morning. So the first thing we're going to do is go wash out the toner, and then I am going to just blow dry my hair with product in it today. I think we're not going to do anything crazy. We're just going to do a little blowout. But yeah, I am going to go wash this out first. If you're curious, what did I tone my hair with? I used something a little different than I normally do. If you've watched my other toning videos, it's a different formula. Not because I wanted to use a different formula, I just didn't have in stock in my salon what I needed. So I used SPP and 10A from Matrix Color Sync. It's actually totally new because they've redone their formulas and it's now like Super Sync. So I actually haven't used the Super Sync, but I'm hoping it's not too different. Aside from the fact that it's actually, the formula is like flipped. Usually I use 10P and SPA, but it should be pretty similar, if not the same, going the other way. But we'll see. Toner's only temporary anyways, so even if it's not quite the right shade, but it's looking like it's toned out. My hair was feeling a little bit yellow. I don't tone often, but every once in a while I feel like it just gets a little on the brassy side, and then I throw a toner on there to kind of neutralize that. So let's go shampoo, and I'll come back to style. All right, all shampooed. We're gonna put in our leave-in as usual, because that's what we've been using right now. I used the Wella Ultimate Repair shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm using their leave-in. One thing I do like about this leave-in, as opposed to the Miracle Creator one that I also really love, is this one doesn't have any oils in it, so I can actually spray it all over my head, whereas this one, I really do love how soft this one makes my hair feel, but I avoid my roots with this one because the oils in it are a little too heavy for my roots. So this one makes my hair a little softer, a little shinier, a little more supple, but this one I can spray everywhere. So pros and cons, I really like them both, but I have been enjoying the Miracle. Yeah, I have been enjoying the Wella one recently. We're going to do a little volume treatment serum, the Color Wow Carb Cocktail. Put that everywhere, roots to ends. I'm also going to add a little bit of Olaplex number 6 just to the ends of my hair because I am going to blow it out with the round brush, and that's going to get it extra smooth, but just to the ends. Now it's like 75% dry. I'm going to finish off with my round brush blow dryer. There we go. The toner did a great job. My hair is no longer looking brassy at all. Nice champagne blonde. Here we go. Gonna go work. That's my hair for today. Good morning, day 3 of the hair vlog, and today I just finished dropping my kids off to school, and now I'm going to wash my hair. Even though we did wash our hair yesterday, you know, day 2, it is relatively oily, and I'm going to film content today, so I want freshly washed hair, so I'm going to go wash my hair. Alright, I have shampooed, but I did not condition because I am going to do a K18 treatment. I use 2 pumps of the K18. Make sure you spread it around your hands really well so you get it everywhere. Let that sit for 4 minutes, and then I will add some leave-in conditioner and blow dry my hair. Okay, I did my makeup, so it was a little bit more than 4 minutes, but that's fine as long as it's been at least 4 minutes. I was kind of rushing because I didn't want my hair to dry too much. I'm going to use my leave-in spray. And mousse. I have had a few people on some of my videos lately saying, oh, I don't see you put heat protection in your hair. And what a lot of people don't understand is a lot of your products actually have heat protection in them, a lot of styling products. So both of the products I have just put in my hair, my mousse and my leave-in, both have heat protection in them. So I don't need to add another heat protection on its own. And a lot of times if you're using a bunch of styling products, you don't actually need to have an independent heat styling spray. I do have my Firewall that I spray in my dry hair before I apply heat sometimes, but when we're going in with the blow dryer and whatnot, both of these have heat protection. And probably a lot of your styling products that are meant to go in before you blow dry do. There we go, all dry, ready to film some content for you guys. So I'm gonna go do that, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, day 4. No idea what we're doing with hair today. I did wash it yesterday, so definitely not washing it again today. That would be the 3rd day in a row. But definitely gonna need a little dry shampoo. Yeah, I think we'll just leave it down today. It's a little frizzy on the ends, but that will likely calm down throughout the day, and I can always throw it up in a claw clip if it doesn't, but I am trying not to put my hair up as much. So yeah, a little dry shampoo did the trick. That's day 4. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, it is Friday, and my hair is greasy. It's also super powdery from dry shampoo and texture powder, but we're not going to wash it today because I'm actually going fishing with my kids today. I'm not an outdoorsy person, but I promised them I would take them fishing today, first time of the season, so I am simply going to wear my hat again, because I'll probably wash my hair either tomorrow morning or tonight. No point washing it now though, especially because if I'm going to be out in the sun all day, I'd like to wear my hat. So I'll just put it up in a little bun with the hat again. I'm just going to do like a really basic messy bun today. Just this kind right here. I think it looks cute with the hat. I'm going to take a few pieces down. And I love this hat with like the really big wide opening. It makes it so easy to like get your hairstyle and have it sticking out of your hat. No worrying about if it's in the right place because there's such a big space for it. There we go. See you next week.